Hello, students. Once again, we are together to study moral science, that is the wings of wisdom. So, now we have our third chapter, that is in search of inner talents. Okay, so here it is written, quotation you have, your talents, God's gift to you. What you do with it is your gift back to God. Sometimes we have tendency to underestimate our talents and skills. If we ever feel we are less talented, it is because we fail to find out the talents hidden within us. Recent studies show that man doesn't use a major part of his intellectual power and ability. Everything created by God is good. He has created nothing bad. One way or the other, everything plays an important role in making this world beautiful. So students, here we have 6 steps I had shown you earlier also. See, you can see 6 steps to develop talents. Discover a talent, be interested and confident, develop the skills, practice makes man perfect, watch the progress, use or share the talent. Clear? So, that was an introduction to my chapter that is in search of inner talents. Now we have brainstorming session, students, and we had 2 brainstorming session in the first 2 chapters, and it was very interesting. Now, once again we have brainstorming session, and the first question is, are you blessed with some talents? Yes, no, don't know. Everyone is blessed. What is my reflection? What is my thought? That everyone is blessed with some or the other talent, different talents. Do these talents benefit you? Yes, I think according to me, talents benefit. Development of talents is a waste of time. No, not at all. But what do you think? Could be. Everybody is talented one way or the other. Yes. Everyone, God has granted everyone, gifted with everyone, different talents. Is everybody equally talented? No. Development of talent is related to success. So development of talents is related to success. Is it true? Could be yes. So what do you think? There is another quotation here. Doing easily what others find difficult is talent. Doing easily what others find difficult is talent. Singing. For many people, singing is not a usual operation. It's difficult. For some people, it's very easy. Doing what is impossible with talents is a genius. Doing what is impossible with talent is a genius. So, students, we are going to start with the chapter Talent, Gift of God. As I told you, God has created everyone equally with different talents. Talents is an inborn quality within man that helps one to achieve great things in life. It will make him courageous enough to do wonders not only in his life but also in the whole world. Yes, God has granted you as a gift. But what do you do? It will be a gift for the mankind, and it will be a gift for God also. Because mankind is of God. So it will make him courageous enough to do wonders not only in his life but also in the whole world. People entertain in this world, comedians, actors. So they give new life to the people by entertaining. The talents and abilities are precious gifts from God the Creator. They are hidden in every human being. One of the most important tasks before a person is to recognize these innate gifts and bring them out in its perfection. Students, when we lit a candle, we cannot put under a bowl. When we lit a candle, we leave it open so that it may give light to the room. It may create light in the room. So, your talents gives light to others. You must develop them. First find them and then develop them and practice and practice. So, it is written here, another, hard work beats talents when talent doesn't work hard. So students, we have one story here, from darkness to light. Yes, you can see here a darkness, a same person with black, and here he comes to light. Now what is this? What it shows? It is a Ron Lefort was an expert burglar, thief. So what was his occupation? A theft. He used to steal. Even the police accepted he was a difficult one to deal with, as his techniques and swiftness confused everyone. He was talented in that. Okay, and he had developed talents. He said, stealing is my specialty and talent. Though it was very difficult to catch him, the police got him once. At the age of 19, he was sentenced for 5 years imprisonment. So he was sent to jail for 5 years. Just he was 19. He had already spent a total of 3 years for various petty crimes in the years before that. So he was a criminal too. So one day he began doing push-ups to stay warm. You can see in the picture. So one day he began doing push-ups to stay warm and to tire himself so that he could sleep at night. But it was really a turning point in his life. So it was a turning point in his life. He noticed that his muscles developed and the chest expanded fast. He gradually increased his exercise. He knew the baseball players in prison received better treatment. So various occupations are taught to the prisoners to make them better human beings. So he also wanted to enter in baseball. So he started playing it just to protect himself from the rash treatment of the officials. But when he started using his speed, strength and intelligence, he began to play the game well. His success in the field gave him the desire to complete his high school studies from the prison. Moreover, he decided to bring an end to all his bad habits. Once he found inner talents in him, he just left everything, his bad habit of theft, because he realized that They were threats not only to his physical health but also to the life in whole. So, within hours of his release from the prison, he signed a contract with the professional baseball team. So, in 1977 and 1980, he broke records at American baseball. What helped him to reach at such a position was the identification of his inner talents. Yes, students, this story is great in itself, which gives you a beautiful lesson to understand, to find talents in you. So, students, in this session, I leap on you to think about whether the title of this story, he has written here, write about the title of the story. Describe how apt, striking and meaningful it is. So, if you give a title here, he has given here from darkness to light. So, he asked you to write about the title of the story. So, you write and tell also reason why you have given such a title. So, this is a assignment for you, a homework for you. Please do it. And then we will see in the second part the other part of the chapter. Okay.